Sentinels for Christ meets, packing day is upon us, fine arts money is due. That and more, all in today's update for Tuesday, November 14th.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Andrew, and it's time to get you updated right now.
So Andrew, why don't you start us off?
Okay, the Operation Christmas Child Packing Day is today.
The NHS members and middle school students will be packing during 2nd, 3rd, and 4th periods.
That's right. One last thing before we send it to sports. So, what is it, Sophia?
The $100 deposit is due for the fine arts trip.
When is it due?
Tomorrow.
Okay, well then let's send it back to sports.
Thanks, guys. Well, to start off in sports,
yesterday the girls' middle school soccer team lost 5-2 against SFCA.
Brooke Foss made 2 goals with assists by Gianna Thrower and Sienna McIntyre.
Nice job, ladies. But the boys made a comeback with a close game of 3-2. Trent Vitter made 2 goals.
Andrew Atwood made 1 goal and Reggie Bizier had 1 assist.
Moving on to girls basketball, ECS was on the road to Naples and crushed them 87-35.
Calicia Grant contributed 19 points and Zion Mitchell scored 16.
Don't forget that we have a new athlete of the week, Taylor Foss.
She is on the soccer team who was nominated because of her performance against Gateway Charter last week.
She's barely in the lead, 23% of the vote. Well, for today's sports, we have both varsity soccer teams playing.
That's right, and the girls start at 5 away at Community School of Naples.
And the boys are playing at home against Imagine School at 6.
Well, we'll hope to see you there, Sets. Have a good one.
Let's send it back to the news desk for your final announcements.
Thanks, guys. We only have a few more announcements.
Coming up tomorrow during high school lunch is the Sentinels for Christ meeting about the service project this Saturday.
Tomorrow is a Sentinel Spirit Shirt Day, and for middle school, it's a team building shirt day.
That's cool. So what team activity will it be?
Actually, there isn't a team building activity, but you still get to wear your shirt.
That's weird. Well, moving on, the chapel will be led by Mr. Hess with a perfectly themed message for Thanksgiving about being thankful.
Well, that's all for today. Have a great Tuesday, Sense.